Welcome in Python Academy. Today program is to print table for using for loop for in range and n n equal to int bracket open input next bracket open enter any number to print table enter any number to print table, then enter. In this program using for loop for I in range bracket open 1 comma 11. This program is run 1 to 10. 11 is left, so you print 1 to 10 number to for an I in range 1 comma 11. You print 11 number 1 comma 12. Okay, one number is left. Enter. Print no colon print bracket open n comma single quotes. This is a sign of between two numbers 2 into 1 equal to 2. Then comma I comma single quotes equal to. This is the sign of 2 into 1 equal to 2. Then comma n into I for I in range I into n into I. Then enter. Then we will see the output of this program. See output. Enter in number 20. Okay, 20 into 1 20. This is the right, one is mistake. Space colon, this is right. 19 absolutely right. This program is work right. This program is help to print table through you and user input any number to print table. All the viewers, thank you for viewing these videos of our program.